How to verify your eToro account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to verify your eToro account step by step so you can start trading without limits. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in etoro.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged into your eToro account, and once you are logged in, from the home page of eToro, go ahead and look for this complete profile option at the top left. Click on that in order to complete your profile. You'll need to go ahead and fill in your personal details such as your full name, date of birth, and address information. I've already entered my full name and date of birth. Now the next step is to enter the home address. Go ahead and type in your home address information. Write down your street and building's name. Finally, go ahead and click on the next button, and then on the next page, enter your passport number. This is an optional, so you can also skip this. Now click on next or skip this, and then agree to the terms and conditions and answer some of the questions. Now click on the complete verification button on the next page, and this is the real verification. Go ahead and enter your phone number, and then you'll need to go ahead and upload your identity proof document. You'll need to upload passport, national ID, or your driver's license, and then make sure the document is clear and valid. Upload it after following through the instructions, and once you do that, you will be able to complete your verification. The verification approval usually takes 1 to 3 days. You'll get an email once verified. And that's how you complete your verification for an eToro account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.